Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have something very simple. This is the Sylvania Truwave. So this claims to have less blue and it's healthier for you. So look at that right there. Healthier for you. So it says, did you know that most LED bulbs and electronic screens emit high levels of intense blue light which can strain your eyes, cause fatigue, and make it harder to fall asleep? Simply upgrade to Truwave and reduce blue light exposure by over 50%, helping you feel your best and fall asleep easier. So we're going to put that to the test. So I'm not going to be demonstrating this because I really can't demonstrate it. But I am going to be using these two bulbs in my bedroom, and I'm not gonna show it because the camera kind of adjusts the color, so it's not gonna make any difference if I show it or not. But I'll tell you over in a few days, maybe 10 days, I'll tell you if I fall asleep faster and if I feel healthier and if my eyes are less strained. Oh, you can hear it. They kind of make a sound. If my eyes are less strained and that kind of thing. Everything that it says over here. Less eye strain. I'm going to feel better, less fatigue. And that's very important. Fall asleep faster. Because these days a lot of people are buying melatonin. Who knows why so many people have insomnia. But that could be it. Could be all that blue light, you know. And I got plenty of blue light here. So this, we're gonna see if it works. Okay, folks, so I definitely noticed the difference in color right away. I got one over there, one over here, and I can see that my camera on my phone is changing the color, so it's making it look more white than it actually is. But it is kind of amber. Reminds me of the 1980s. Back in the 80s, we had the incandescent lights. So they were this color, yellowish. They were not that white, bluish LED stuff that we have these days. So that's a good start. Okay, folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and I have been testing this for about 2 weeks or so. I can't remember. And I threw away the packaging, but these are the bulbs. I took them out, and overall I don't think this is helping me at all. I've been testing it for that many days, 2 weeks, and I don't think it's helped me at all. If anything, I think it made things worse because these are very bright in spite of being so small. They look like refrigerator bulbs, but they're very bright, and I think they made things worse. Like it's nighttime and this is so bright that it made me wake up actually. So over the time that I've been testing this, I think, at least for me, and this is all specific to me, I think that it's not about the color so much, but about the intensity, the brightness. So if you're having difficulty falling asleep, I think the best thing to do would be to get something that's dim. So don't get anything that's even moderately bright. Just get something dim. If you can get a dimmer switch, even better, so you can dim it out during the late hours. But as far as the color, I don't think it makes too much difference. Although I did like the color. It was nice and old school 1980s amber color. If you're old enough to remember the 80s, you'll know that back then we had very yellowish light bulbs. So that was nice, and probably it does help to have that color to help you fall asleep, but it's not a magic pill. It's not really that powerful. So if you're not gonna fall asleep, you're not gonna fall asleep. In any case, when I go to sleep, I turn off the light, so it's not gonna matter what color the light is, because I'm gonna turn off the lights anyway. So that also seems to be a little bit awkward. And lastly, I've been looking at the labeling. I'm not gonna zoom in because you can't read it, but nowhere on the bulbs does it say Truwave. It just says Sylvania, but no, it doesn't say Truwave anywhere. It's almost like they just grabbed the regular bulbs that they make and they just put them in a different package. And now they're claiming that this is going to make you healthier and it's going to make you fall asleep easier. But I just don't have any evidence to prove that. Now, like I said, this is specific to me. You can give it a shot if you want and buy these bulbs and see if it helps you fall asleep, but that's entirely up to you. But my review doesn't seem to prove that at all. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.